Shireen.
Hi, my name is Amr Atiyah.
Nuruddin Khalid.
My name is Karim Ashraf.
Hi, Marim Osam.
Our idea is simply making a smart trash can which opens when someone approaches it as long as it's not full and closes otherwise. And when it's full, it won't open until it's been emptied again.
Okay, let me introduce you to our trash can. First of all, we got the trash can itself. Then we got our motor that controls the opening and the closing of the trash can. And then we got two sensors. One will detect anyone who's approaching the trash can, and the other one will be used to detect if the trash can is full or not. Since this sensor must be put inside the trash can, but since the IR got a range of 30 centimeters, it got a range more than a diameter more than our trash can. So this sensor will work on a bigger scale trash can.
Okay, so basically our circuit is composed of three smaller circuits. One here for the IR sensor. This is also for an IR sensor, but this one is for the sensor that goes inside the trash can. This basically circuit over here, it has its own separate battery, and it detects if the trash can is full or not. It sends an input into the Altera. Okay, our other IR sensor here also takes the input and sends it in the Altera, and then from there it goes to our motor server over here. As you can see also, this one has a separate battery, and we've got a regulator, 6-volt regulator, because the motor works on 6 volts. The IR that sends if someone is there or not also is used on a 6-volt regulator, but this IR is on a 5-volt regulator. So basically the signal comes in from the Altera to our circuit over here into the servo motor, and that's how the servo motor works. We also have a common ground over here for all of the circuits. As you can see, here's our ground, and this one is connected to this part of the circuit, and that's our common ground for the circuit. Thank you.
And now we will start by explaining the code part of the project. We mainly use a servo motor that takes as input a signal from the Altera FPGA and uses this input to determine the speed, the direction, and the angle of rotation of the servo motor. This input mainly is a clock with a certain pulse width to determine whether to rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise. And now I will leave you with Noor to explain the code.
Okay, for the code part, it's pretty simple. We mainly use a module that takes 3 inputs, the original clock from the board, a signal that indicates if it's full or not, and a signal for the direction. And it outputs the signal which we provide to the servo motor. Every clock cycle, we check that there's a direction change. If there is, then the motor needs to rotate, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now, if that happens, we make the enable true, in which case we'll act appropriately in the code and thus rotating the motor in the correct direction. Now, if the trash can is full, then the whole condition will not be evaluated, and thus the trash can will not open.
And now we will show how the trash can works. Now the trash can is full and someone tries to approach it. It doesn't open. And now the trash can is empty. Another one tries to approach it. It opens and closes when he goes away. Another one, the trash is full and it doesn't open again until it is empty. And that's it. Thank you.